Okay, so the first thing I eat is usually a protein smoothie. So I just put a banana and then my protein powder in there. And then next I just added some almond milk. And then here I'm just adding a tablespoon of chia seeds and then a tablespoon of peanut butter. This is like my favorite smoothie ever. It tastes so good. And then I just add some ice and then just blend it up. And it's super thick and creamy and it's amazing. Just drinking my Dunkin' Donuts. You don't get this on the West Coast, but I think I'd still rather be on the West Coast. My order is just a medium iced coffee with almond milk, if you're wondering. Okay, so next as a snack, I just had some avocado toast with some scrambled tofu. Then for dinner, I had a salad and then just some pasta. I didn't show the recipe just because I thought it was pretty straightforward, and then I just made muffins later, and I have that recipe already on my YouTube channel if you guys want to check it out. Thanks for watching!